ThreatBoard. It's a threatening fretboard. It's a
ThreatBoard.
Something about a fretboard. You focusing this on you?
I'll wrap my fretboard on your neck without even thinking twice and tighten up my strings till it cuts off your windpipe. This shit's tight with Christmas on the gyro, running circles round these cunts' eyes are spinning round in spirals. I am telling them I'm elegantly threatening. My chemical invention makes it so-called delicious shit mescaline. Spike your dragon soup with my cactus juice, leave a man confused by you until you're black and blue. I'm a poltergeist on a motorbike, ghost riding into folks' homes and in the open wide. I am openly wide, I am a hoodlum, and you're trying to go through those of like a filled along to chewing gum. I the truth, the one that'll jiggle through some brutal puns, and everyone you said I couldn't do it is a stupid one. Look at that, the truth must beautiful. I just prove my worth cause that's enough to plan a funeral.
The kid is pissing on your writings like a urinal. Before your album launch I'll call you up to say you shouldn't go. Trying to smoke a spliff outside the gig but it's the usual pricks that always spontaneously spit like it's a musical. Slurring words and they haven't had any booze at all. Great start, makes me want to play darts, move the board. Kinda cunts that hit the studio with nothing to record. Posting photos of them in the booth and the producer's board. I would have done this tune myself if I just knew the cause. But fuck it, Obi's not too bad and truthfully I could use support. Who'd have thought that be Ciaran Mac was never good at sport, but now he's running laps around his class and fuck a school report. Yeah, I'm the dude that's going goofy rookies at the door. Leave without integrity, you hit before you lose it all. The loser never even won and it turned out a draw, but I still ain't sure on who I'm rooting for.
You've had it now with the class clowns lashing out, mad and proud. You will see us hanging out like Magaloosa.
Clamping down, man, I'm happy slapping half the crowd, so if you don't clap after the track, I'll have to pap you out.
Angry like I'm gasping for the sound, I'll backhand you now. Grab your pen and plant it in the crowd until your casket burns.
But I ain't gonna actually attack a rapper, man. I'm sounding every aggie bit was bitten blind out of a pad of fish.
This shit's one-sided like a BBC News report. I thought you knew the score because I trampled over you before. With the doors off the back of your new Porsche, use my bazooka more effective with the new use yours. Head for the rich kids who need for better upbringings and those that shit tips. Who need for the easy option, what for a big business. Work your way up the ladder so you can sit in Olympus. I attempt to climb edging up sketchy side rocks descending from heights higher than I'll get today. Your agenda spending all your life in expensive shit. Ends up into men, the minds of those that enjoy the stretch and play. Pathetically signed so to whoever made the know. Ever so to those who don't know better. For those who won't live up. Gold thread the masterpiece of the wind elastic fleece. More cash than a man needs.
Sam weeds can be parroted, put my music out there when I'm done a tune. I'm consumed within a cocoon of doubt. Driving me crazy, wish I was driven to cruise about, but something's missing like I'm doing a dub and could use a style. Sometimes I can't get the words up in my stupid mouth, so ruthless producers are blackballed us and I'm snookered now. I've hit a wall, there ain't a space to get me through around, so fuck it, every single writer's block is getting booted down. Then me and O'B got it, showed you how it's done again. Started making something out of nothing but a fucking pen. Too many chumps are hinking a button when they're just a stem. Building a career out of the shit you couldn't build a den. So hit for the dipshits with split slice, sex spit and giving it big legs. The scripts rip, hit you like a cat in the red sets and misfits, ripping down wits in an instant.
You've had it now with the class clowns lashing out, mad and proud, but you will see us hanging out with like a loser.
Clapping down, man, I'm happy slapping half the crowd, so if you don't clap after the track, I'll have to pap you out.
Angry like I'm gasping for a snout, or backhand you now. Grab the crown and plant it in the ground till your casket burn.
Actually, attack a rapper, man, I'm sounding every aggie bit was bitten blind out of a pad I found.
Thank you.
Don't get distracted halfway through this verse, Miss Wee Cutie.
Yeah, she's like, oh me, thanks.
Right, this tune's called Multi Coloured. Sundogs, making us a tune for it, but a wee acoustic version will do now. We'll do it now. It's a multi-coloured camouflage, pocket full of sabotage, thin rat bin bag, skin graft, battle skulls, black stars and red moons, doing my nut in, stuffing the head wounds, stuck in a test tube, citric acid, passion fruit to jump beside the simple madness, smiley faces with a glimpse of malice, in a callous act, shitting in your cabbage patch, living lavish, sticking hidden passages within the flats, deep rooted and steep rooted, asleep lucid, dreaming, breathing the sweet music, the sweet movements, leaving even Stevens, causing seasons, beating, sleeping willows, grieving with lies beneath us. Trees are leafless and the bushes are burnt. The sky's grey, acid rain fumes from the dirty Harry with the valleys and the tomb when it's shut. Not even tasting second guessing, not presuming it first. He's just jumped in, the tough skin, the ruffian. Never had love for nothing but puffing. Didn't need friends and weekends and pretense. He spends most of them drunk with his cousin
Justin.
Sitting in the multi-coloured overcoat, smoking coke soda till he's sober in the rowing boat. Stones and broken at the opening of the boring soap. Over a sewing over saying all that's at a Polish bloke. Tony Jones heaving like he's steaming in the roller coaster, eating toast and flora, sleeping with the Rita Ora poster. Shit's being slower than usual. Over to the screwball, shows from the pupils, stolen the usual. New flow, old still at it though, but I can go patterns on my ragged silk satin clothes. Scattered stones planning out the path towards a hazard zone. Going twisting now, raising backwards like a palindrome. I'm at home feeling like I'm on another planet. Rubber's banded bro heavy as I turn to granite. Understand it's no stress to me, I fucking manage. Kick about in multi-coloured bandits like yes, it's a strange kid. On his 8th split for the day shit. Stay sick whether I'm on stage and I'm wasted or taking a straight piss. Blatantly shamelessly placing these fake press names in your playlist. It's Mr. Makeshift, rap style talking poet, tactile, hands on, hats off, overthrown. So stop your moaning for a drop of cola on your noggin. You know I'm raining in the place where it is always pouring. I called this morning, left a message and you didn't get it. Or have you got it when I seen you then you never mentioned. So I suggested we were multi-coloured matching dressing round the length of the earth before we walked upon a lasting friendship. So the acid soaked land has got us souls could instead of yellow soft smoke which coats a multi-coloured ocean. Couldn't say I seen it coming but I had a notion. Covered in dust from the explosion, long beholden. We kinda looked like tie-dye on a grey sun. Ray shone there because he lied back at stage 1. See the sights, no lights in the same slum, and it turns night when the days come. Look at me with multi-coloured eyes and a snake's tongue. Split second, it's bit of venom, I played dumb. Hit the mute button, great end, I paid off. Check the colours were all cut from the same cloth. I'm in a rut, interrupting my own thoughts. Could you fuck, should I stuck to the day job? Could I ever love such a lucky mistake? God, camouflage on, Jody's guns with your mate off. I'm in a rut, interrupting my own thoughts. Could you fuck, should I stuck to the day job? Could I ever love such a lucky mistake? God, camouflage on, Jody's guns with your mate off. Multi-coloured.